Physical? Top chef! Oh no! Soccer! Top chef!
I guess I can only equate it to
Soccer! Top chef! Disco!
Fishing helps ease my mind. Kind of like having Liberty Mutual. They customize your car insurance so you only pay for what you need. Whoa! Minions are biting today.
Minions are coming to...
Hey, Zika! Oh, Kimmy and Tara, come take a seat. Everything will be ready soon. How did your day go?
It was the most craziest experience that's ever... how about you start first?
Oh boy, where do I start? So I was really excited about this new game I got recently that I began dashing into my room to play it.
Jeez!
I had to prepare everything for this momentous occasion. Brought my breakfast, drink, and of course, the game. I was so hyped up for this moment. But then, all of a sudden, this happened. No, why? The game was in mid-condition. Oh, why isn't it working? Come on, you work! Oh, no. I don't think that was supposed to happen. I thought I got myself into a coma, but thankfully, I didn't. Instead, I got this.
To IHOP. With an all-new menu you're going to love. Excuse me. Sir? We just cleaned the windows.
Huh? How the heck did that happen? I couldn't imagine how any of this was real. But then I just remembered I should have been knocked out. Whoops. Here I am now, and I'm still a bit confused.
That's pretty cool, though.
Yeah, I guess me having crazy superpowers could be lots of fun. However, now I gotta deal with a random disk drive that pops up from time to time.
Ah, don't worry. I get that. Hey, how about after today? I can fix it up in no time.
Sounds like a plan.
Good evening. Anything I can get for you two?
Ah, sure. I'll take a glass of cork, please.
Oh, can you give us a couple straws, too? I kind of want to share that with my sweetheart.
Aw, you're so sweet.
Do you all see that?
Yeah, they have a nice relationship together.
Bob, focus. You saw that flashback, right? She got zapped. She got PC powers. This is our chance. This is our chance to finally take over the world. Finally, people will stop making fun of me for my poor excuse of dark magic. And then, I can be just like my demon father, Richard.
You see this, son? Your father knows how to box.
My father has been fighting for generations to take down the Team Shark's leader, Max, which Can I just say that, dude, that is not a villain outfit. That's a bathrobe you use in the shower.
You mean the one you're wearing right now?
Let's not get off topic, Bob.
Do you have a plan, Quattro?
Heck yeah, I do. Now I want you all to sit down for this one because I have a whiteboard explaining it. This little goofball will follow into that truck that I borrowed from the Ice Cube factory. Meanwhile, Jackie and Happy will drive over to the Boom factory to knock Kimmy unconscious. And that's where I come in.
But wait, how are you gonna get Kimmy into the truck?
Don't you worry about a thing, Devlin. I know the perfect guy for the job.
Just out of curiosity, Tara, where did that foxtail come from?
Oh, this tail? Well...
Hey Tara, I just finished making a brand new potion.
Thank you so much, Fruital. I'm pretty skeptical about this potion. Mind if I test it?
Wait.
Seems like I don't have any test subjects with me.
Wait!
Oh well, might as well be the first one.
Stop! That actually gives the ability of becoming a fox!
Ugh, now you tell me. Thankfully I made a cure, but most of the potion got away.
I have arrived! And I brought my kids with me.
Hello. Good to see you three. What would you guys like to order?
My kids want a kids meal, and I just want a drink with ice.
Oh, sorry, sir. We're currently out of ice at the moment.
What? That can't be right! Can't you just freeze some ice with water or something?
You mean like the ice machines? We would, but somebody smashed it with a bat and now it doesn't work anymore. But never mind that. The truck's gonna come by later and pick up the ice cubes here. We'll just get started on the kids' meals. Wow, already?
I'll be back!
Dang, Slush sure has an obsession with ice.
Yeah, but I don't blame him. If I loved ice as much as Slush did, I'd go cuckoo as well.
Hey! In that storage, you knucklehead! I want my ice cube! Give me my ice, you son of a...
Surprise.
Oh no! Oh no!
I got him! Go!
You got it!
Slush has been kidnapped!
Zika, do you think you can babysit Slush's kids while we're gone?
Sure thing.
Wait, what about your drink?
Oh, sorry about that. Here's your pay.
Well, save you, Slush!
Ladies and gentlemen! Oh, hi, Kimmy.
Nice to see you, Kimmy!
È anche fresco. Fresco è anche forte. Tic Tac ti sorprende sempre. Oggi ancora di più. Scopri i nuovi Tic Tac.
Despicable Me has come to IHOP with new creations served with all your favorites.
Cinnamon?
IHOP. Come hungry, leave that.
Quattro, I should have known it was you.
You know this guy?
Of course I do. My mother's been an Oni Slayer for years.
Ah, yes, Allie. My father told me about her too. He said she took down an army of demons, when in reality those were rabbits.
In disguise.
I know! I was just trying to mess with you!
Where are you going with this?
Oh, it's nothing personal. Oh, except for the fact that
My father has started to become a bit weaker after his boxing days were numbered. You and your mother seem to have the strongest powers to ever have in the Multiplexalverse, and I think I'm gonna have to borrow that real quick. I don't take no as an answer very kindly. You wouldn't want to disagree with me now, would ya?
Personally, Kimmy, I would have gotten a VPN if I were you.
No way! I ain't letting my dad into thieves like you!
sir.
It probably wasn't a good idea to rip out my horn like that. Move, Kimmy!
Two could play at that game. Tara, it's time to
She said it! Knock it off.
Ready, Tara?
Ready when you are.
Alright, let's drive.
What? I just had it! Easy on the spine. I just got that
Have a despicably delicious breakfast with these special edition jars of Nutella.
Just in last week.
Tara, go get the steering wheel. We're going back home.
On it.
Now that I think about it, maybe we should have ate first before we started the plan.
Aren't you a stuffed plush, though? How would you eat?
I mean, I steal people's souls, so I'll find a way.
Aha! Caught you two red-handed.
Tara, I thought you were with Croctro and Kimmy. Guess it's my turn then.
Kimmy, you're making one heck of a mistake.
What do you mean?
I already got Jackie and Happy driving the truck. Tara wouldn't even have a chance against them. Besides, did you really think that truck was heading to nowhere?
What did you do?
Guys, we're headed to the Boo Factory!
Oh my gosh, Tara, hurry! Or you'll...
Oh no! I'm not done with you yet!
Away from my girl, you maniac! Sorry, Slush.
That's fine.
Kimmy! Are you okay?
I'm okay, Tara. I do have to ask. Who's driving the truck?
Shoot. I left running. Yeah?
Stop!
Wait! I need your help.
Who are you?
My name is Samantha. I've heard about Kimmy's mother's history as a demon slayer, and it's inspired me to become one. Do you think you can train me?
Sure thing.
Hey! I want to train too!
Alright, Slush, you can train too.
Aw.